This is one of the biggest snow we had in a long time. The parking space. This is where he needs to plow. I moved my car over there. So right here is where he needs to plow. I don't really need to move this car. Yeah. Let's go inside and warm up a bit. Alhamdulillah for being able to have a warm place to come back into. Alhamdulillah for that. So what we're gonna be doing is taking all this clothes off. I'm literally wearing my wife's jacket because the plow guy came unannounced. He did not text, he did not say anything. I just heard him plowing, so I was rushing. I just threw my wife's jacket on. This is mine, but this is not mine. The jacket is not mine. The shoes is not mine, but I was trying to get to him before he leaves, but unfortunately he left because he knew he was gonna have to come back because the snow itself is not over. And this dude made a habit of not texting us before he arrives. I'm like, what? At least text so that way we can get the cars out of the way for you before you even show up. But hey, whatever, it is what it is. I left my gloves on top of this radiator heat. They keep it warm for me, so that when it's time to go out, I just grab them. I'm gonna take my runny nose upstairs and wash up. That's how cold it is. It's supposed to feel like -6 or so. And it does, trust me, it does. The little time I stayed there, thankfully I had those gloves, but my hands were still freezing, so I can't imagine without gloves or anything. Mr. Plow guy is back, so we gotta go and move the car and stuff. It's still snowing, that's crazy. This is our plow guys, plow thing right there. Later, inshallah, we're gonna be using this car to pick up my brother who's coming back from Kenya. So I'll have to empty the stuff that's in the trunk, and yeah, we'll see. That's the plan. But for now, I'm gonna go back in, warm up, and relax for a bit. What are you guys doing?
I'm trying to build myself.
Okay, we gotta go though.
Look how
We gotta go inside. I'm down, Ellis. Let's go inside.
Made a snow hole right here.
What are you doing, you silly?
Trying to build myself a bed.
What are you doing, Sulaiman?
I made a hole.
You made a hole in the snow?
Yeah. No.
What is this hole doing over here?
I'm trying to connect it to Smith's foot.
Oh.
Right. Smith's hole's right here. And mine's right there. And mine's here.
Yours is right there. Smith's hole is over there.
And
Okay.
then we got big snow pile.
Okay. Let's go in, guys.
Before.
Let's go. You can barely see me. It's that dark. I'm driving, so I can't really turn on the light. But anyways, we got a little bit of snow, to say the least. The road is so clear because everybody's asleep. I am currently heading to pick up my brother from the bus station because he's coming back from Kenya. The bus picked him up from Boston to here, so I'm heading to the airport to pick him up. We are in the middle of a huge snowstorm. Right now it's actually not that bad. As you can see, there's snow everywhere, like a lot of snow. So yeah, fun times indeed. So yeah, that's what's happening. There's literally nobody on the highway. I'm going 40, 45. This used to be 70 miles per hour road, but they turned it into a 60, but I'm not even hitting 50. It's just not worth for me to go that fast. So I'm gonna take my slow time and make it there safe. I mean, it's not my first time driving on this type of condition, but it's just not worth for me to get into an accident or do dumb stuff and go off the road and stuff like that. I ask Allah to protect me from such a thing. But yeah, I'm gonna take my sweet time. If I'm gonna be lazy, I mean not lazy, if I'm gonna be late to him, so be it. I'd rather get there safe than not. So that's what's happening. But there's barely any car on the road.
Got nowhere, 'cause I was naive while I was too scared. So when I lit a fire, I run to the flames. Here I seek you, wherever you are, undivided, the only one. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are.
I got off the highway. Now I am going to be going through the streets, which are the worst part. The highway is somewhat maintained, but these streets out here are not that well maintained. So my car is like doing its best to make sure it stays straight and not like do donuts basically. But Alhamdulillah, I have four-wheel drive, like all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, whatever. So it does really well on any kind of road. So it's doing pretty good. Well, I don't know if you guys can see the text message, but he said 11:25, which is like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go around and go back to the main parking lot space and park there. Alright, I got his stuff, his luggage and stuff is in the car, in the trunk. He's in there just paying off the ticket and stuff, and then we're gonna drive home, and then that's the end of it. I just dropped off my brother at his house. Now I'm heading to my place to get some sleep, to get some rest, inshallah. As you can see, snow everywhere. It's almost 1 a.m., 1 in the morning. And I'm so tired. Alhamdulillah that he's home safe. Alhamdulillah that I made it back home safe myself too. So we say Alhamdulillah. look at the traffic on the other lane. This road that I'm going on right now is supposed to be 2-lane, but I don't even know where the 2 lanes are. I need to get on this one because I think a lot of people have been going on this lane, and you can see the tracks cleared of the snow. So this is how it looks the day after the snow. Wow. What? I go on this road for work almost every day, and I've never seen this many cars lined up. Like, never. Never. What is going on? Oh, I know why. There's a school nearby that also got delayed. So all the parents who used to drop off their kids early and all that stuff, they all have to drop the kids off the same time. So that's probably why. Look at this. That is crazy to say the least. Anyways, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everybody. We are at Walmart right now because Sumaya needs a poster board for her project. What is the project? I don't know. Am I gonna know the project? I don't know. Oh shoot, why do they park like this? So yeah, we're gonna go in, get that, and get some things, not that things, mostly baby foods, baby stuff. And then we're gonna run out because it's almost past their bedtime.
I do not like bedtime. Or it's bread time.
Bread time?
Because what did the mama needle say to the baby needle?
Sleep.
Faster thread time.
It's sleep time. That's
Instead of bedtime, it's thread time.
no, it's a sleep time, Suleiman. Anyways, jokes aside, we're gonna go in, grab what we need, and get out of there. Okay?
And then we'll say goodnight to Alexa.
Okay. Let's go get this thing real quick. Yeah. Okay, let's go, guys. Huh? Let's go, let's go. Careful, guys. Watch out. Don't go too far ahead. I think they might be on this aisle. I think they are right over here. Okay, these are all the posters, Sumaya. I think this is the one you said, the cardboard one. This is what you're looking for, right?
Yeah.
Oh, they come with these multi-purpose letters, and also this thing right here. It's little papers and whatever you can design. Is this it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Now that we got Sumaya her thing, we gotta go Sumayya's. I mean, not Sumayya's, Suhaila's. Let's go this way. The only reason we came to Walmart at this time was because of this, because Sumaya needs this tomorrow for her project. Okay, go, Salaam, let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up. And I'm out. Peace out. I love you all for the sake of Allah.